Okay, so welcome to my next video tutorial. Gonna continue describe the HTML tag, and this in this video need to be quick. So let's see. Uh, First of all comes header. You already know what does header mean, isn't it? It's like this header one, and I'm gonna close it over here. Oh come on, header gets closed over here. Okay, refresh it in the browser, and you're gonna see header one. Okay, so now going forward, come on. Yeah, over here no need to refresh it anymore. Okay, we're gonna use this shit like this and refresh it. See, okay, now I'm gonna say footer. Okay, and I'm gonna say footer like this. Okay, as I told it to you that if it's one, then it should be in the one line. It looks good and reduce the complexity of your code. So do it like this. Okay, and refresh it, and this is like this. Of course there should be quite some space between them, so I'm gonna introduce break align. Okay, refresh it, and that's it. Okay, so now I'm gonna move forward to underline. If you want to underline a text, what would you use? This is what you would use: underlined text. Okay, gonna close it like this, and this is it. I'm gonna refresh it and see it's underlined. Okay, basically if you want it to be bold, you can use this shit like this, and where do you want to end it? Over here like this, and it's bold now. Basically if you want it, come on, background, damn it. Oh, seems like we are at war. So many airplanes flying upward up in the sky. Why are they flying? I don't know. Whatever, let's move forward. If you want the text to be italic, do it like this. I use I for it. Okay, that's it. Gonna refresh it over here, and there you go, it's italic too. If you want your text to be strong, means it should, why we use this tag, I'm gonna tell you right now, don't worry. Okay, so refresh it, and there you go. Why do we use this tag is basically because, see over here, I'm gonna say uh, strong, and we use it for describing a keyword. For example, if I am discussing about various programming languages, gonna say programming languages. Okay, I'm gonna close it over here. Are the tools to through which we can talk with computers and any other electronic device. Okay, yeah, devices. Okay, yeah, so refresh it over here, and you're gonna see programming languages are the tools. You're getting it, isn't it? Okay, so why we you sample now, sample to, if you wanna write some sample, write this and then sampled text. You don't know what is sample, google it. Okay, that's in that way. See the text now. This is the universal text, guys, we actually use for sample. So basically I'm gonna write over here like heading 1 and sample, and gonna do it afterwards. Reload it and see sample text. Okay, now I'm gonna say what, now I'm gonna say uh, if you wanna specify subscript. Okay, so heading tag subscript, basically you need to use sub, that's it. Okay, so you're gonna say sub, and you can say subscript text. Okay, so gonna close it, this tag over here, and that's it. I'm gonna refresh it. There you go. Oh come on, this is it. See, subscript text is okay, fine. br for break. Okay, br for break. Okay, and reload it. It's because I know why is it coming like that. Just a shade, whatever. gonna go over here and introduce once again p. See, I'm using again and again the tags so that you can remember them. Basically, by now you know now what does pre means. Pre stands for pre-format and it introduces space. So I told you in the first video tutorial, don't I, that you don't need to revision. I will make your revision. See, I'm making it. Whatever. See, this is subscript tags. Let's move forward. If you wanna cite any shit over here, then you can do it like this. Head 1 citation. Uh, okay, and over here gonna say cite and cited text. Okay, let it be citation only. Okay, gonna refresh it and see citation. Okay, so if you basically wanna use some small text, means that you that particular text you want to be small. Okay, so I'm gonna say small. Oh come on, word. For that shit you certainly need to do it like this, that is hi, hi, mm, my name is blah blah blah. I teach in small video tutorials. I actually teach programming language. I teach web designing. Okay, web designing. Gonna close it over here. That's it. Uh, I teach it in a fun manner. I don't think that it's right English. Whatever. Fun manner. Fun manner. Okay. That's it. I'm gonna save it. Gonna refresh it and gonna see it. That blah 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 web designing is kinda looking attractive, isn't it? That's all it's used for. If you want to make word highlighted, for example over here, if you want to make this word highlighted, mark them, that is use mark, mark. Okay, and then close it over here and oh come on, mark. Okay, basically now refresh it and gonna see is, you will see that it's still not highlighted, and that's pretty insane, you know. uh, I'm gonna say mark and is it not there? See, mar, it is there, see. And then I'm gonna specify text to be highlighted. Text, okay. Oh come on, mark to be highlighted. Okay, that's it. Refresh it and I'm gonna see that it's still not highlighted, and that's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna see the problem, what's actually happening over here. I'm gonna tell you what's the problem. Okay, for sure. Basically, it's pretty interesting things prevailing over here right now. What within browser? See, if within browser it's highlighting. That's what I meant. How come I be become incorrect? Okay, so highlighted text done. How much is the time? Oh yeah, 8 minutes. Fine. Let's be quick now. If you want to represent some text from keyboard, say, see, I would let you know. Keyboard text. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna refresh it within the browser and see. It's the font labeled within the keyboards kind of look like it's been written directly from keyboard, like what the font we use in keyboard. It's a specific font actually. Okay, used to describe that uh, used to describe letters written in keyboard, whatever. Okay, so now if you want to mail to somebody else, for example, if I want, see, I will tell you mail. This is like this, and then I'm gonna say prince.sony 3333 and this is my mail ID, by the way, gmail.com. Okay, and I'm gonna say it. Okay, so right over here, mail to. What's now? Pretty cool. uh, I think it needs to be within tag, or it still need not to be in tags. Let me see. Actually, I write over here mail. Basically it's not over here. Okay, so mail to uh, okay, fine. I'll in the next video tutorial I'm gonna come on once again background sound. Okay, sorry, once again background music was coming. Let's quickly do the mail and telephone. See, if you wanna write, first of all you need to declare hyperlink reference, okay, and then equals to, and then in double quotes certainly mail to, and that's it. Over here I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna say print SOni. So, okay, it's okay, fine. And then hyperlink tag close, and there you go, print SOni. I click it and my mail messenger gets open. It's simple, isn't it? Okay, let it get open. I don't want it, fine. Okay, so now over here if you want, come on, damn it, over here if you want telephone number, then you can say, first of all hyperlink reference equals to, with instead of mail write tel, and then press colon, then specify your telephone number, plus 919001587533. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh it right now. Gonna do it like this, and it won't work because once again background sound, sorry. Okay, so see, it was correct actually. Over here none of my software is installed. Afterwards, see, telephone has been catched by the browser, just that none of my there is no caller software like installed in this laptop. That's why it's saying, it was putting that error. Okay, so that's it. Now one of the most important thing. Oh, um okay, fine. Over here within the hyperlink reference there are two type of address you can specify. First is absolute, https www.google.com, I would say .co.in. okay, so over here I refresh it, I click it, and Google then gets opened, isn't it? The second thing is to use relative address, which is certainly that right now it's we are actually developing over here now the desktop. I'm gonna say and declare one more file, text document over here, name it a, and convert it to HTML. A lot of airplanes are flying. Once again let me pause it. A.html, okay, .html, save it and close it, and then, oh, let's quickly, time is running off. Over here I'm gonna quickly say a.html. Huh. Okay, so over here, come on, gonna click over here and a.html gets open. This is called relative address. Okay, instead of this you can also write entire address, which is C. What is the entire address? Well, it is certainly that it's within C, it's within users, it's within print C, it's within desktop folder, and there you go. So over here a.html, this is it. So I would copy it and basically paste it over here, and this is called absolute text. I'm instead of, okay, what happened actually, once again need to copy it. Oh, come on, where was it? Yeah, hopefully over here, a.html, copy it and paste it over here. Okay, change this into this shit, because remember, within HTML, it's like this. Instead of using um, what backslash, we use actually forward slash or whatever it is. Gonna go back, refresh it, and it will open the same page. Okay, it's not opening the same page. Why is it not opening? C colon users princey desktop a.html certainly should open, isn't it? Yeah, but it's certainly not opening it. That C users princey desktop a.html. Okay, C a.html. This is it, isn't it? C users. Okay, whatever. We're gonna see it afterwards. Oh, come on.